Did you know that most chickens stop laying eggs in the winter not because they are lazy, but because they are missing something small but crucial? Cold days, short light, a damp coop, and poor nutrition quickly exhaust hens. Then they spend their energy on warming their bodies, not on producing eggs. If their feet are cold, if there's not enough light, and if the food is not rich, the eggs disappear overnight. So stay with us until the end because we reveal the secret recipe that will encourage your chickens to lay eggs every day. Subscribe to our channel is completely free. So let's go to our video right away. In winter, it is especially important that the coop is dry, without drafts, that they have thick bedding, and at least a little extra light in the morning or evening. But the most important thing of all is what you give them to eat. Corn alone is not enough. Then the hens are looking for warmth, protein, and minerals. Experienced homeowners know when you make a mistake in your diet in winter, there is no spring that will quickly bring back the eggs. But when you find the right combination, hens can lay eggs like clockwork, even on the coldest days. So let's immediately discover the secret recipe that will keep your hens healthy, strong, and always laying eggs in winter. Simple, cheap, and proven in the countryside for generations. Take warm water, not hot. Add a handful of corn, a tablespoon of wheat bran, a tablespoon of minced garlic, and a little apple cider vinegar. Mix everything well and give it to the hens in the morning while it is still cold. This combination warms the body, strengthens the immune system, improves digestion, and provides the energy needed to lay eggs. If you add a pinch of eggshells or chalk to this, you will also get a solid shell on each egg. The result? Healthier hens, more energy, and regular eggs even in the middle of winter.
Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss one of the most important topics for every gardener: how to feed your cucumbers to achieve maximum yield and how to protect them from diseases that can destroy them. Stay with us until the end of the video as we reveal the secret recipe that will give your cucumbers everything they need to be healthy and strong. But before we start, dear friends, subscribe to our channel is completely free. Thank you. Let's go to the video now. Cucumbers are plants that require a lot of attention and proper care. In order for them to be lush and fertile, they need to be provided with adequate nutrition. The best feeding for cucumbers includes a balanced intake of essential nutrients, such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, but also microelements such as magnesium, zinc, and boron. Using organic compost can improve soil structure and provide long-term nutrition to your plants. Liquid fertilizers are great for quickly delivering nutrients directly to the roots, while granular fertilizers can provide a slower but longer-lasting release of nutrients. In addition to nutrients, cucumbers also need adequate protection from diseases. The most common diseases that attack cucumbers are powdery mildew, blight, and various fungal infections. In order to protect cucumbers from these diseases, it is necessary to use preventive measures and natural fungicides. Now, after going through the basic information about the storage and protection of cucumbers, we come to the most interesting part of our video. It's time to reveal our secret recipe that combines simple, everyday ingredients for extraordinary results. This recipe includes 1 liter of water, 2 dcl of milk. Milk acts as a natural fungicide and helps fight fungal diseases. 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Baking soda helps to maintain the pH balance on the surface of the leaf, which further reduces the possibility of fungal development. It may sound simple, but this combination works wonders for your cucumbers. Mix well and your natural fungicide is ready. You can spray this solution on cucumber leaves once a week or after every rain. This treatment will help your plants stay healthy and productive all season long. Friends, send this video to your friends on social networks. If you like this video, Don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you soon.